What's up guys, it's Sarah Kelly B-Love and I am super excited to do Angel's choreography for Stranger. So come on and dance with me. Here it is, take a look.
The river's red, the sky is falling, the music's dead and the preacher's calling. Feeling like it's out of control, rhythm's bleeding out of my soul. The world is getting stranger, stranger. Nobody sees the pain going through my eyes. The world is getting stranger, stranger. Nobody's gonna take over my life. The world is getting stranger, stranger. Nobody sees the pain going through my eyes. The world is getting stranger, stranger. Nobody's gonna take over my life. I'll play the pipe, baby, shake that thing.
We're gonna start. We have right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left hand, 7, 8. That part's pretty basic. Then we're gonna start 1, 2, and then slow it down a little bit, 3, 4, and then we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so all together for the first part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 rotations, 8. 1, 2, slow it down, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so now we are going to start our march. All right, so we are going to first lift up to the left, hand across the chest like this. Then we're going to drop down like this. Then we switch like so, like so, like so, and it creates a pattern. So just get this part down and then you can add the feet. All right. So you can stagger it, but in this dance we do it at the same time. Switch at the same time because it's pretty quick. All right, so now let's try adding the feet. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit faster. From here, this is where we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can put your hips into this. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can bop your head if you want. 7, 8. All right. So again, world is getting stranger, stranger. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we got 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now transitioning into the first part to the second part, same lyrics, different choreography here. So we just did right here, right? So 1, eyes, then we're gonna go to just a basic march, okay? So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, right after we did 1, 2, we are gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Make sure your arms are level and your hands are up. If you need to practice this, just go back and forth. Make sure your hands are nice and high, like that, okay? So 1, 2, right hand first when you march. 1, 2, out to left, out to the right, okay? So from the top, 1, 2, 1, 2, okay? And then we're gonna repeat for both strangers. Stranger, stranger. Okay, then we pick back up our march. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna, out to the right, we're gonna clap. And stick your left knee out. Bop, bop. Okay, so let's try it all together from the second part. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry. La, 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 la. Okay, let's try it all together from the second part. So from here, we're gonna go, the world is getting stranger, stranger. And then we're gonna go into, nobody's gonna take over my rights, right? So this is our cross to Jesus, woo! And then we're gonna go, bop, bop. That's how we end, okay? Whole thing from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the whole thing from the top. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And then nobody's gonna take over my life. Bop, bop. So that's the whole dance. The only other part I gotta mention, the chorus repeats twice. The second time we end like this, right? But the first time we are gonna go right back into the chorus that repeats. For here, we're marching here, here, here. Then we're gonna go back to here, and it goes right into stranger again, okay? So again, we're coming around here, 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 here. Then we go back into stranger, stranger, like that. All right, that's your transition. Let's try it all together.
River's red, the sky is falling, the music's dead, and the preacher's calling. Feeling like it's out of control. Rhythm's bleeding out of my soul. The world is getting stranger, stranger. Nobody sees the pain going through my eyes. The world is getting stranger, stranger. Nobody's gonna take over my life. The world is getting stranger, stranger. Nobody sees the pain going through my eyes. The world is getting stranger, stranger. Nobody's gonna take over my life. I'll play the pipe, baby, shake that thing.
All right, excellent job. Thank you for dancing with me. Blessings, blessings, blessings. The times are getting stranger. Check out Angel Sandoval and you can dance along with us. All right, the song again is called Stranger and it should be coming out soon.